The new Power-TEC weld and slide dent puller. The old way was to drill a series of holes in the sheet metal to make the repair, but that weakened the panel and the holes had to be filled. Now Power-TEC takes dent pulling to the next stage. This is a slide hammer and welder in one instrument. It is simply pressed onto the area to be repaired, the earthing rod and welding shaft are spring loaded, and the tip is welded to the metal, then pulled back in a slide hammer action. Each weld tightens and shrinks the metal before it is pulled back. And the welding is instantaneous. There is no risk of heat or fire damage behind the panel. A quick and easy repair. This is quite a deep little dent, but no problem for the Power-TEC weld and slide. The slide hammer action will pull and straighten the creases, while a straight pulling action will deal with the deeper areas. As the instrument provides the earth and welding tip circuit in a small, very focused area, it is ideal for the repair of electric and hybrid vehicles. The weld and slide from Power-TEC.